Hey there, nerd fighters. It's your boy, Ian, coming at you live from Glasshouse, where curiosity never sleeps. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of sloths. These slow-moving mammals might seem like simple creatures, but trust me, there's more to them than meets the eye. We're about to uncover 5 surprising facts about sloths that will make you appreciate these tree dwellers in a whole new light. We're talking mind-blowing adaptations, ecological mysteries, and maybe even a sloth poop fact or two. Okay, I won't spoil it for you, but let's just say number 5 is gonna blow your mind. It's like the ultimate sloth superpower. So grab your thinking caps, get comfy, and prepare to be amazed. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to show the love by liking this video, subscribing to Glasshouse, and hitting that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Let's get our sloth learn on. Alright, fact number 1. Did you know that a sloth's fur isn't just fur, it's actually a miniature ecosystem? I'm talking algae, fungi, insects, you name it, it's probably hanging out in a sloth's fur. This little-known fact is a game-changer when it comes to understanding how sloths blend in so well with their surroundings. Think about it. Sloths are slow, like really slow. They can't exactly outrun a predator, right? So they've evolved this incredible camouflage strategy. The algae in their fur actually changes color depending on the humidity and light conditions, giving sloths this greenish-brown hue that makes them practically invisible amongst the leaves. But it gets even cooler. These algae aren't just freeloaders, they actually provide the sloth with nutrients, kind of like a built-in snack bar, and the fungi, well, they help control the growth of bacteria, keeping the sloth's fur clean and healthy. It's like a perfectly balanced symbiotic relationship, all happening right there on a sloth's back. It makes you wonder what other secrets are hidden in those furry coats. Scientists are still discovering new species of insects and microorganisms living in sloth fur. It's like a whole new world waiting to be explored, and it just makes me appreciate the ingenuity of evolution even more. I mean, who would have thought that being slow and covered in algae could be such an effective survival strategy? It's like the ultimate example of working smarter, not harder, and it's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to amazing sloth facts. So stick around, because we've got 4 more mind-blowing facts to uncover, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Sloths have evolved to be masters of disguise, and their fur is a testament to that. The algae and fungi not only help them blend in, but also provide essential nutrients and keep their fur clean. It's a win-win situation for the sloth and its tiny companions. This symbiotic relationship is a marvel of nature, showcasing how different species can coexist and benefit from each other. It's a delicate balance that has evolved over millions of years, and it's fascinating to see it in action. The more we learn about sloths and their unique adaptations, the more we realize how complex and interconnected the natural world is. Every tiny organism plays a role in the larger ecosystem, and sloths are a perfect example of this intricate web of life. So next time you see a sloth, remember that there's more to them than meets the eye. They're not just slow-moving creatures, they're living ecosystems teeming with life and full of surprises. And who knows what other secrets are waiting to be discovered in the fur of these incredible animals. The world of sloths is a reminder of the wonders of nature and the endless possibilities for discovery. So stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop marveling at the incredible diversity of life on our planet. There's always something new to learn, and sloths are just one piece of the puzzle. It's like a whole new world waiting to be explored, and it just makes me appreciate the ingenuity of evolution even more. I mean, who would have thought that being slow and covered in algae could be such an effective survival strategy? It's like the ultimate example of working smarter, not harder. And it's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to amazing sloth facts. So, stick around, because we've got 4 more mind-blowing facts to uncover, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Fact number 2. Sloths only poop once a week. Yes, you heard that right. Just once every 7 days. Yeah, you heard that right. Once a week. This might sound strange to us, but for sloths, it's perfectly normal. What's fascinating is how this seemingly bizarre behavior actually contributes to the sloth's survival and the health of the rainforest ecosystem. It's a unique adaptation that plays a crucial role in their lives. So, sloths have a really slow metabolism, which means they digest food incredibly slowly. This slow pace of life is a defining characteristic of these gentle creatures, like it can take up to a month for them to fully digest a single leaf. Imagine taking that long to process your meals. This slow digestion is partly why they poop so infrequently. Their bodies are designed to extract every bit of nutrition from their food, but there's more to it than that. The sloth's bathroom habits are intricately linked to their survival strategy. When a sloth does finally need to go, it climbs all the way down from the safety of the canopy to the forest floor. This journey is not without its dangers. This is a risky move, making them vulnerable to predators. Yet, they undertake this perilous descent for a very specific reason. But they do it anyway, and for a very specific reason. It's all part of a fascinating ecological relationship. You see, sloths have this symbiotic relationship with certain species of moths that live in their fur. These moths are more than just passengers. These moths lay their eggs in the sloth's poop, and the larvae feed on it until they mature. This provides a safe and nutrient-rich environment for the moth's offspring. When the moths are ready to mate, they fly back up into the trees and find a sloth to call home. This cycle continues, benefiting both the sloths and the moths. This might seem like a weird and wonderful coincidence, but it's actually a crucial part of the rainforest ecosystem. The relationship between sloths and moths is a fine example of nature's interconnectedness. The moths help fertilize the trees that the sloths rely on for food and shelter. Their droppings enrich the soil, promoting the growth of the very trees that sustain the sloths. It's like a perfect circle of life, all thanks to the sloth's weekly bathroom break. This simple act has far-reaching implications for the entire ecosystem. What do you think about this fact? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this incredible natural phenomenon. Chapter 3. Super Swimmers. Fact number 3 is a real eye-opener. Sloths are surprisingly good swimmers. I know, right? You wouldn't expect these slow-moving tree dwellers to be comfortable in the water, but they're actually quite graceful. The story behind this is fascinating. Sloths evolved in a time when rainforests were even more widespread than they are today. This means they had to adapt to environments with rivers, lakes, and even flooded forests. Over time, they developed the ability to swim, using their long arms to propel themselves through the water. And they're not just paddling around for fun. Swimming actually allows sloths to access new food sources and territories. It's like a secret superpower that helps them thrive in their rainforest homes. Imagine a sloth, slowly making its way through the water, its fur glistening in the sunlight. It's not the fastest swimmer, but it gets the job done. And when it reaches the other side, it shakes itself off, climbs up a tree, and goes back to being its usual, slow-moving self. It just goes to show that you can't always judge a book by its cover, or a sloth by its slowness. These creatures are full of surprises, and their ability to swim is just another example of their remarkable adaptations. Chapter 4. Stronger than they look. In this chapter we delve into the surprising strength of one of nature's most unassuming creatures. Fact number 4. Sloths have incredibly strong grip strength. Their claws are not just for show, they are a vital part of their survival. This has a massive impact on their arboreal lifestyle, allowing them to hang upside down for extended periods without breaking a sweat. Their grip is so powerful that it can support their entire body weight effortlessly. Imagine what could happen if more people knew about this. It would change the way we perceive these slow-moving creatures. Here's a quick quiz. What do you think caused this? A. Their specialized claws. B. Their slow metabolism. Or C. Their diet of leaves? Write your guesses below. Take a moment to think about it. Okay, time's up. The answer is A. Their specialized claws. These claws are perfectly adapted to their tree-dwelling lifestyle. Sloths have evolved these long, curved claws that act like hooks, allowing them to hang effortlessly from branches. This adaptation is crucial for their survival. In fact, their grip is so strong that they can even remain hanging after they die. This might sound morbid, but it highlights just how powerful their grip is. This incredible grip strength is essential for sloths because they spend almost their entire lives in the trees. They navigate the canopy with ease, moving from branch to branch. They eat, sleep, mate, and even give birth while hanging upside down. This unique way of life is made possible by their extraordinary grip. It's a testament to their evolutionary adaptations and the power of natural selection. Over millions of years, sloths have perfected this ability. Think about it. How many other animals can hang upside down for hours on end without getting tired? Not many. This makes sloths truly unique in the animal kingdom. This unique ability allows sloths to conserve energy and avoid predators, blending seamlessly into their environment, making them perfectly suited for their slow-paced lifestyle. Their slow movements and strong grip are key to their survival. It's a reminder that strength comes in many forms, and that sometimes, the most unexpected creatures possess the most remarkable abilities. So, next time you see a sloth, remember that they are much stronger than they look. Their strength is a marvel of nature, hidden beneath their slow and gentle demeanor. Chapter 5. The Bulletproof Sloth. And finally, fact number 5. Sloths have an incredibly low metabolic rate, which makes them incredibly resistant to poisons and toxins. This one is incredible because it shows how a seemingly mundane adaptation can have such a profound impact on an animal's survival. It's a perfect example of why evolution is so fascinating. Because sloths digest food so slowly, their bodies have more time to process and break down harmful substances. This means they can eat plants that would be toxic to other animals, giving them access to a wider range of food sources. But it gets even more interesting. Scientists have discovered that sloths can even survive venomous snake bites that would kill other animals of similar size. Their slow metabolism seems to give them a natural resistance to the venom, allowing them to recover from bites that would be fatal to other creatures. This incredible ability makes sloths even more well-suited to their rainforest homes, where venomous snakes are a common threat. It's like having a built-in defense mechanism against one of nature's deadliest predators. So, there you have it. 5 surprising facts about sloths that hopefully made you appreciate these amazing creatures even more. They might be slow, but they're also incredibly adapted, resilient, and full of surprises. And that's a wrap on our sloth adventure. Who knew these chilled-out creatures were hiding so many secrets? From their algae-filled fur to their bulletproof metabolisms, sloths are a testament to the power of adaptation and the wonders of the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Glasshouse, and share it with someone who loves learning as much as you do. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Check out our other videos here, or